Hello and welcome to this May 11th, 2010 video version of Invested Central's Chart of the Day. I'm Tom Boley, Invested Central's Chief Market Strategist, and it's my pleasure to provide you with today's Chart of the Day. This Chart of the Day is brought to you by StockCharts.com, simply the web's best financial charts. Today we're featuring the Dow Jones Transportation Index. We've spoken a lot recently about a lot of technical damage that's taken place in the market. I do want to point out one of the positives, though, and that is the transportation group. This is a sector that tends to lead the market, so when this group does well, it tends to indicate that the economy is improving, and we would expect other groups to follow suit. Now, of course, this is just one indication, and we certainly have a lot of mixed signals in the market right now. But if we just take a look at the Dow Jones Transportation Average, take a look today, or Monday, we actually came back up, closed back above the 50-day moving average. We had closed beneath it the last 2 days. You can see on Thursday we closed just beneath the 50-day, then did it again on Friday. However, we never went back and violated that price support level. So we were able to hold on to support. We tested it twice, actually went a little bit below it on both Thursday and Friday of last week, but we managed to hold on to price support, closing price support, and then rallied on Monday, moving back above the 50-day moving average. Volume was very heavy on the selling. You can see the volume bars picked up quite a bit as we moved down, and there was a negative divergence that had played into this as well. As you can see, coming off the bottom in February, the MACD was well below the center line. We continued to push higher as we kept moving up. We kept putting in higher highs, and then ultimately right here at the top, when we hit 4,800, you can see that the MACD had rolled over. So even though prices were trying to move higher, MACD was not following suit, and we did put in a couple of bearish looking candlesticks closing near lows of the day, and as a result, having the reversing candlesticks and having the long-term negative divergence, we expected a move down to the 50-day moving average. We got that and then some as we went below the 50-day, as we did on most of our major indices, or actually all of our major indices. But here we did on the transport index hold on to price support, which I think is a big positive. And then not only did we hold on to price support, but we have moved back above the 50-day moving average. So all of this, I think, at least provides the bulls some hope here. If we can get the major moving averages to follow suit and get back above the 50-day moving average along with the transports, that would add some more bullishness to what we're seeing here with the transportation group. I hope you've enjoyed our presentation today. Be sure to check out our Chart of the Day every day at InvestedCentral.com. While you're there, sign up for our free weekly Market Pulse newsletter and have the Chart of the Day emailed directly to you. Happy trading.